Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Etsy ads to promote listings and increase sales. Detailed guide step by step clearly. To start configuring Etsy ads to promote your listings, first log in to your Etsy account. Navigate to the Shop Manager from your main dashboard. In the Shop Manager menu, locate and click on the Marketing tab. Select Etsy ads from the drop-down menu. You will see an overview of your current ad performance and options to set up new ads. If this is your first time, click on the Get Started button. Choose the listings you want to promote by checking the boxes next to each item. Select your daily budget for your ads based on your financial goals. Etsy will suggest a budget, but you can adjust it to fit your needs. Once you've set your budget, click on Continue to proceed. Now, you'll see options for ad targeting. Etsy allows you to target specific keywords related to your listings. Use the search bar to enter keywords that are relevant to your products. Review the suggested keywords and select those that align with your offerings. If desired, you can also target particular demographics such as location and interests. After confirming your targeting preferences, click on Save. Next, double-check your selected listings, budget, and keywords for consistency. Once you are satisfied, click the Launch Ads button to activate them. Your Etsy ads will now be live and ready to attract potential buyers. Monitor the performance of your ads regularly through the Ads dashboard. Adjust your budget and targeting as needed based on performance metrics. Consider testing different listings and keywords to optimize your campaigns. The key to success is experimenting and refining your strategy over time. This detailed guide will help you effectively configure Etsy ads to promote your listings and increase sales. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.